Hey guys, welcome back to underneath the track car. So we're looking at pulling the rear differential out because the one that's in this currently is an LSD, and for the application we want it to be locked, so we don't want any slip in the diff. So just to my knee there's a diff that's going to be going in, so that's all welded. So that's the same axle stud pattern as this, so 5x1. We're going to take out the rear traction arm and also the toe arms as well. We've got adjustable arms that are going to be going in the back here, and we're going to be stealing those from Ruben's road car and putting these standard ones back in his road car. So yeah, we'll work on getting the drive shaft off, the stub axles off, and we'll take out the traction, which is at the front, and the rear toe arms as well out of here, and then we'll swap everything over. So stand by. Right, so here we are. We've pulled the bolts out of the drive shaft. We've taken the mounting bolts out of the main rear subframe, which is one up here, and also there's 4 bolts in this subframe here that hold it in, plus the axles, 5x1 axles. So the diff's now out. So if anyone's actually looking for an LSD, this one could be up for sale. Hit us up in the comments. We're actually looking for a lock diff or some kind of decent diff for the track, because this one here is just on loan from a good friend of our, Pete Drever, shop brother. So yeah, hit us up if you are interested in LSD. Hey guys, so the lock diff is now in place. So we've put 4 new bolts in the rear bracket. Not too sure if you can see them, but they're the shiny ones here. So 4 new mounting bolts with new washers. I'm just doing up the stub axle to the main axle now. They're all Loctited up, so just 5 each side, so 10 nuts and bolts with Loctite on those. Just double check the main bolt to the subframe. There's 2 of those, and I've got to do the drive shaft up. And Ruben's been busy working away, putting all their new adjustable arms. So we've got the rest adjustable toe in here, and I'm not too sure. Ruben will speak to what's happening at the front.
Yeah, so I've just put this adjustable traction arm in here. We've got camber and we've got toe. So I've swapped them over from my road car. So these got all factory traction and toe arms in here now. With, adjustable camber arms, because that's what it's suited for, so we'll leave it like that. But yeah, we're starting to get there. These are the last lot of jobs we need to get done before we head over to Taupo for carnival. So yeah, we're slowly getting there. So yeah, I've mocked up the rest of this. There's my welded joint of this done. Getting my angle to come out the side here, and then we'll tack this joint up here, and then get another tack on a part here coming out the side, and then weld it up. So I've just mocked it up under the car and pulled it back out. And that's our cut length that we've cut down, and our elbow we're going to go side exit. So I'm going to tack that up and weld that one on, and then we'll tack this onto the part that's under the car, and then we'll pull the exhaust off and weld it up. And I might have to put an extension on this part to come out the side of the car, and yeah, that'll be the exhaust done. So I've just been mocking up the exhaust under the car, and we're going to do a side exit. I've just marked where I need to make a cut here, because this is the length we need, and then we're going to go out the side exit by the passenger rear wheel there. So I've just found this clamp, pipe clamp here, which I'm going to use as a bit of a straight edge to make a perfect mark around the exhaust, so when I cut it with the grinder I get it pretty bang on. So I should really tighten it up, but as long as it's rough enough, can't see it from my house, eh? we go, and we'll just give it a cut. You can see my mark there. Rightio, so the exhaust is all finished. Welded up. There's our 45 and comes out to a side exit. So yeah, probably just leave it like that for now. Might have to do a hanger, but it's actually pretty solid under here. That's me leaning on it. But yeah, I probably will do one. Yeah, that should get some flames out the side, eh? Good to go.